Don't you cry tonight.
Okay, it's very beautiful. Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing good. So today I'm here again with my another vlog. As when I studied, I thought I'll post every Monday new vlog, but as my class started now, and when I started this vlogging and all that time, I didn't have any class, so it was easy that time to pass time in other things. But when when the study pressure is there, then other works is come very difficult. But if I start something, I don't like to go back or stop in middle. So I thought I can stop these things now. This is also part of my life, so I have to keep going and I have to learn balance all the things together. So as today is Sunday, I am shooting this today as I don't have any class today. So today actually it is going to be a very interesting vlog because today I am going to chit chat with my one international friend from Pakistan, and she is going to complete her master. Almost her everything, almost her everything is done. Now she is going to leave, so I thought to invite her and have some conversation with her and share with you guys. So I'll not make you bored anymore. Let's talk with her. So here is Aidamal from Kyrgyzstan. So tell me, Aidamal, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. So how is going your day now?
Oh, they are very busy because I'm preparing my documents and for graduating the university, and this is a long time procedure. So it keeps me busy every day.
Okay. So how you are feeling that I invited you today for lunch?
I'm feeling very happy. Thank you for inviting me because so how to say this is a very precious thing for me. So I will keep it in my memory for a long time with her.
Thank you so much. Actually, guys, I asked her before I invited her that what she will like to eat, and she told me that chapati and noodles. So I make actually chapati and noodles for her, and some sweets, and also some chana dal curry with soybean. So I hope she will enjoy this. So let's tell me about your childhood, Aidamal. How
Okay.
was that?
My childhood, my childhood all passed in Kyrgyzstan because I grew up in my country. So I started. I went to the kindergarten when I was since the age of four, I think. I was going to different kindergartens in the capital city of my country, which is Bishkek. And I was going to the kindergartens. I was learning English from the kindergartens, like mathematics, basics of all subjects, like some a little bit of history, literature, and everything. So I got to be a grammar girl already from the early age.
So okay, then this way you pass your childhood
Yes.
and this thing. And as I know that after your school done, you went to Japan. You completed your graduation there, right?
Graduated from the university there, and my specialty was urban specialist. So it's this is the major which students study in order to help develop the cities. So especially I wanted to study it because my country is developing. So city has my capital city and other cities in my country, they need a lot of development work. So I wanted to study something which will help our cities to become better and grow up and become more powerful and fluid, and maximization of people's comfort lives there. It was very important for me.
Yeah.
So I studied there.
Okay, that's very beautiful. And after that, you go back. You went back to your country
Yes,
again, right?
yes. I went back to my country again to start looking for a job, and I was doing internships in the local organizations. There is one organization also which is which was working for the help of poor children in the poor families. So I was doing internships there, and I was doing some work which was like data input about those children, like various photographs, editing also those children, so that people can see and donate to them money from developed countries. And so I used to do internships there, and I got certificates, internship certificates. I don't have them with me, but yes, I have them back to my country. So that's
It's a very good work, actually. It's appreciating. I also like it's like a social work. You work for poor children, and these things. This really appreciating. So then again, you applied for scholarship and you came to India, right?
I applied for a scholarship. So I got accepted, and I studied. I came to study here. And how to say it, and I was very happy to have a chance like this, because India is before coming to India was something very incredible in my mind. So I had some images of India as being country of rich traditions, of rich history, rich culture, rich mind of Indian people. I know that India is very good in the medical things, that many people can come here in order to heal themselves from some illnesses, and it's actually very good. And the yoga traditions was very nice also, because before coming to India, I was going to the yoga lessons which are financed by Indian Embassy. I think so, yes. And I was going to yoga lessons, and I was going through yoga lessons, and they were very helpful for me to keep my mind and my body in harmony. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's so your journey till 2 years, like till now, 2 years you were here in India. Now you are going to leave. So I think it was nice. Like from beginning, your journey it was nice.
Yes, it was very nice.
So you like India. Tell me which country you like most. Actually you are from Kyrgyzstan, then you went to Japan, then you came to India. So 3 countries you visited. It's feeling really nice. You get a lot of knowledge, and you saw different kind of cultures, and here also different kind of friends we have from different countries. So how you express these feelings, that how is actually for you to know different cultures, different language, different food, different people?
I think for me, out of these 3 places which I've been to so far, I think that the best place for me is, of course, not the best place, but the most, the place which will be always in my heart is my country, is my homeland. But otherwise, if to talk just about food experience, study experience, life experience, and everything, all countries are okay. They're all fine for me. So it was very fantastic in India to tell the truth, to be here, because I had so many like interesting experience here, and I've seen many interesting people here, and I've seen many interesting places here. So I tried a lot of interesting and exotic food here, which is very nice for me, because before coming to India, I was dreaming of trying some Indian food, because Indian food is very exotic in my country. Not everyone can access an Indian food. So when you go to restaurants, it's not that much as you can experience in India itself. So I was very happy to be trying Indian food and trying it in that variety which I can get it here. So it was very fantastic experience.
Okay. So are you feeling bad that you are going to leave? And actually I am feeling bad that you are going to leave very soon India. So that's why actually I invited you today. So how you are feeling that you are going to leave?
I am feeling very sad, of course, because I don't want to leave India as such, because here is very nice, food is very nice, people are very nice. My living place is very good. Everyone is very kind to me, so I have very nice neighbors. So it's very nice friends in my class, because I have a lot of classmate friends, and they are very nice to me also. So I have outside friends, like also in other hostels, so they're all very nice to me. But of course I've seen places here, and so I don't want to leave. But because I have to leave anyway, because my scholarship is already finishing, so I have to leave. So plus it's not only because of money, but it's because of agreements I have to leave the country. So but I also miss my homeland, so of course a lot. So it will be very nice to experience concluding my life here in India, and then going back to my country, to my family, meeting with them, working for my country as a good person, and being a helpful person for my country, so that I can imbibe all the experience which I had here in India, learning experience, study experience, and make something out of it in my country. That will be very good, I think. So I'm just all about dreaming, just how to go back and what I can do to make my country's life more incredible.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. I don't want to make you wait long for having the food, so at last I want to listen a song from you. I know you sing very well, so can you please, for my viewers, you can sing something?
Okay. Don't cry tonight, I still love you, baby. Don't you cry tonight.
Okay, it's very beautiful. I hope my viewers enjoyed a lot, and if you want to give any suggestion to me for my channel, YouTube channel, as I started this newly. So if you want to give me any suggestion, or for my viewers, if you want to say anything.
Thank you for your time today. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time also. I'm very thankful to everyone. Thanks for Shanina, who was taking video. She's doing it very hard. So thank you very much, and I don't have any advice to improve it, because it's already perfect for me.
Okay, thank you so much. So can you please tell my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel?
Yes, please subscribe to her YouTube channel and just see what she's doing there.
Okay, thank you so much guys for watching till now.